Yes, Peter, this is your unit number 9. The name of the unit is Web Application and Security. First, here is the session number 1. The session number 1 is working with accessibility options. Accessibility क्या होता है बेटा? It means that we can use the services. Means suppose that a person is disabled and want to use the services, and definitely he or she have some problems. So computer system provides some accessibility tools. By that tool, the persons who are disabled, they can easily use the computers. What kind of, in this they are also saying the same thing. Accessibility means providing such services for the people with disabilities so that they can perform a complete their work without facing any problem. In a similar way, computer accessibility refers to the customizing the functioning of the computer parts. By that, the person who is disabled or impairment to use a computer. Now in next step, they are saying that there are various types of impairment or disabilities that affect computer uses. And what kind of disabilities these are? First disability is here, that is eyesight, like low vision, color blindness, etc. Means eyesight and like low vision means a person is there who is not able to view the clear, means there is a problem in the vision of that person, and there is a color blindness problem in that person, and how they can use a computer. Next type of disability is here, dexterity, like paralysis of any body part like arm, hand and finger injured. Hearing, like deafness, means बहरा बोलते हैं ना जैसे, hearing like deafness. Speech impairment, difficulty in understanding. Reasoning, like learning disability or difficulty to concentrate. बेटे जो लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी है उसे हम डायस्लेक्सिया भी बोलते हैं. Clear? These are the different types of disabilities. This disability related to your eyesight, this disability related to your body part, maybe paralysis is there. This is related to your ears, deafness, and next is your speech impairment, and next one is your learning disabilities. These are the different disabilities. Now, in next step, what they are saying that launching accessibilities options means in computer, how we can launch the accessibilities options means how we can open the accessibilities options. All of you know that in computer there is a control panel. We just, how to open the control panel? Click on start, then control panel, then ease of access. Then when we click on the ease of access, there we find options, that is accessibility options. Now control panel open like this, and this option is here, that is called ease of access. I am also showing you on control panel. Suppose I just want to open control panel. This is my control panel. Just wait, it take little moment. Now you can see this option is here, that is ease of access. We just click on this. Now you can see different options are here. Optimize visual display, replace sound with visual cues, change how your mouse work, change how your keyboard work, speech recognition, that is related to your ear, start speech recognition, set up microphone. These options are called accessibility options. Now come to the next point, that is ease of access. When we just click on ease of access center, this kind of options appear in front of us. Now they are saying that they will just click the ease of access center window, show you the various options to use the accessibility features. Here are the different options that is related to your accessibility. Visual display ऑप्टिमाइज करना है, रिप्लेस साउंड करनी है, विजुअल क्यू से चेंज करना है, आपका माउस कैसे वर्क करे, कीबोर्ड कैसे वर्क करे, all these things you can change from here. After that they are saying that, suppose that first they are saying that Windows 7 provide you some new features by suggesting setting to overcome the impairment. Understand the ease to access center options. You can see the option that Windows suggests setting. In figure number 9.2, in this, here is this options. Let Windows suggest settings. They are discussing about these options. Now, this will provide you an easy way to change the setting of mouse, keyboard, contrast according to your disability. When you click the option, you can choose the type of impairment and their respective alternative provided by Windows 7. This automatically shows the various accessibility features. Let's we also check in this. Suppose this is here. Let's Windows suggest settings. We just click on it. Now they are saying that is there any eyesight problem? Eyesight problem है तो क्या आप complete blind हो, आपको lightning condition में problem है, या फिर इमेज या टेक्स्ट को देखने में आपको डिफिकल्टी है कि मैं ग्लासेस वियर करता हूँ, या फिर आपको if I have another type of vision impairment, even glasses is correct. You can select your impairment according to here, and then it will do the settings. It will show you the settings. So we are not impaired. I'll not click anyone among all these. Clear? Now I'm going to cancel this. Clear? In this way it will behave. Now, next is here. You can when you click on the any, this is saying that you may also change the setting of your mouse, keyboard and display functions by now you may also change the settings of your mouse, keyboard and display functions by using their respective options. In ease to access, we also see there is an option of keyboard and mouse. You can click on it and then it will show options regarding to that. Suppose that हमने start narrative किया था, that's why इसने बोलना शुरू कर दिया था. अगर हम start on screen keyboard करेंगे तो screen पे हमें keyboard शो करेगा. अभी देखना कैसे शो करता है. ऐसा keyboard शो करेगा कि हम सामने से देख के हमें कर सकते हैं. हाई कंट्रास्ट पे सेट करेंगे तो हाई कंट्रास्ट पे से सेट कर देगा. ऐसे बेटा हमें अगर कीबोर्ड रिलेटेड या माउस वर्क रिलेटेड कोई चीज देखनी है, वो एरोज के साइज हमें दिखा देगा कि हमें कि जो रेगुलर व्हाइट एरो ये शो नहीं हो रहा तो रेगुलर ब्लैक एरो दिखा दे, या फिर रेगुलर इन्वर्टिंग दिखा देगा. इस तरह से एरो जैसे भी हमारे एम्पेयरमेंट होगी उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम ये सारे ऑप्शंस चूज कर सकते हैं. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मिनिमाइज द कंट्रोल पैनल. Now they are showing here same options: start magnifier, start narrator, start on screen keyboard, set up high contrast. We can set according to our requirement. First is here start magnifier कि जो भी font होंगे आपको large करके दिखाएगा, वो large font में दिखाएगा. Start narrator में क्या होगा, जिस भी वर्ड पे आप क्लिक करोगे या जो भी हम बोलेंगे उसे वो और तेज आवाज में हमें बोल के सुनाएगा. Start on keyboard, ऑन स्क्रीन कीबोर्ड, इट विल शो ऑन स्क्रीन कीबोर्ड टू अस. मैंने शो करके आपको दिखाया कैसे शो करेगा. सेटअप हाई कंट्रास्ट मींस कलर उसके हाई में सेट कर देगा जिससे आपको कंटेंट होगा क्लियरली व्यू होगा. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज हियर एज टू एसेस सेंटर विंडो. यू विल गेट ऑल सेटिंग्स एज मेक अ कंप्यूटर इजियर टू सी. नेक्स्ट इज हियर high contrast. You can set the color contrast according to your requirement. And next is here cursor options are there. Make the mouse easier to use. How we can set easier to use? We can, I show you all these options. These options are related to your mouse settings. In a similar way, it will also show you the keyboard related options. Turn on mouse keys, turn on sticky keys, turn on toggle keys. This kind of options we can also set. Now here in control panel, I'll show you ease of access. Then this is your keyboard related options. Turn on mouse keys, make easier to sticky keys, toggle keys and filter keys. This kind of options are here. If impairment is there, then we can also select options from these options. Now, next option is here. Use text or visual alternatives for sound. We can also do the sound system. Means जो भी हमारा लिखा होगा बच्चे वो उसे बोल बोल के हमें सुनाएगा. अगर हमें विजन रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम है तो हम उसकी साउंड सेंट्री सेटिंग्स कर देंगे। उसमें क्या होगा, जो भी हम कंटेंट उसके सामने ओपन करेंगे वो सारा उसे बोल के सुनाएगा हमें। नेक्स्ट इज हियर, this is all about your session number 1. In session number 1, what was there? Different accessibility options are there, and we can just set the accessibility options according to our requirement. Now your session number 1 over. I'll give you the self assessment after completing of this unit. When we complete this unit, then I'll give you the self assessment. Now let's see. Sound Centri is designed to help users with dash impairment. Yes बेटा, साउंड सिस्टम कौन से impairments को ठीक करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं? That is auditory. अगर हमारे में auditory impairment है, then we use the sound centri. Next is here, dash is a feature to assist people with vision impairment. Vision impairment के लिए हम क्या करते हैं बेटा? हाई कॉन्ट्रास्ट सेट कर देते हैं, जो उसके कलर्स वगैरह हैं उनको हाई कर देते हैं, ताकि हमारे विजन रिलेटेड जो प्रॉब्लम है उसमें भी हमें सिस्टम में हर एक चीज क्लियर दिखाई दे। नेक्स्ट इज देयर शिफ्ट कंट्रोल ऑल्ट, दीज की आर कॉल्ड मॉडिफायर कीज, बिकॉज जर्नल की हम इसे नहीं बोलते हैं, टॉगल की भी हम इसे नहीं बोलते हैं। टॉगल की बेटा हमारे कीबोर्ड में होती है, कैप्स लॉक की को बोलते हैं हम टॉगल की। So these are the modifier keys. Even they also write down in this. When we read this session, completely, then we are able to answer all these questions. Clear? Next is here, define computer accessibility. Next is, what do you mean by sticky keys? What is sound centri? And explain high contrast feature. I'll make the PDF and then send it to you. Next is here, but if you are having any problem in session number 1, right now you can ask to me.